Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the GPL Factory YouTube channel, and in this video I will tell you how to install Flux Pro theme that you will got from GPL Factory at just ₹99. So first of all, if you don't know about GPL Factory is a website that provides you premium WordPress themes and plugins at the cheapest price on the internet. So let's begin our tutorial for Flux theme. So here is the theme that you need to purchase to use it. So normally the theme is cost you around $39, but we'll provide this theme at just ₹99. So let's start the tutorial how to install this theme on your WordPress website. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, and after login you will see some interface like this. So after that, just go to the appearance section and then click on the theme option here, and here you will see an option called add new. Just click on this option and upload theme now. And here you need to upload the file that you got from GPL Factory when you purchase this theme. So let me show you. Just click on choose file. So here is the file that I got from gplfactory.com. So this is a zip file. First of all, you need to extract it on your system. So I'm going to simply extract it by clicking on extract here. After, you will see a folder here with the theme name. Just open this folder, and here you will see the plugin that you will go with this theme, child theme, and then some documentation and the main theme. Just open the theme, and here you can see Flux Pro theme is available here. So just choose this file and click on open button, and after that just click on install now button and wait for some time. It will take few minutes, depends on your internet speed, to upload the theme on your server or your website. So let's wait for a second. So here you can see our theme is successfully uploaded on the WordPress website. Now just click on active button, and your theme is successfully activated. So let me show you. Here you can see the theme is successfully activated here. Now you can upload all the plugins of these themes just by going to plugin area of the WordPress dashboard and click on add new here, and repeat the same process. Just click on upload plugin button and choose the plugins from here. So here you can see the folder called bundled plugins. Just open this folder and choose the plugin that you want to install on your WordPress website. So just I'm going to install this portfolio plugin. Just choose this plugin and click on open button, and now same click on install now, and it will take few minutes again according to your internet speed to upload the plugin file to your server or your website. And here you can see our plugin is successfully uploaded on our website. Just click on activate plugin, and the plugin is ready to go. So here you can see our plugin is successfully activated. So if you want to use all the plugins, just upload all the plugins one by one on your website and use this theme at the lowest price on the internet at just ₹99 from gplfactory.com. So I hope guys you understand all the process how to install this theme on your WordPress website and how to upload all the plugins that comes with this theme. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel to get more updates about gplfactory.com.